I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. So how do you use a jigsaw? Well, it's pretty easy. Insert the blade. If you don't know how to insert the blade, click this video now. Insert the blade and pull the trigger. Be careful, these teeth are sharp. Then hold your stock as you turn. This is another model. This is an old Black & Decker. I don't know why they thought of it this way, but some engineer thought if you release that, then you can turn the head and steer the cutting blade that way. I found it more dangerous than helpful. So I always found myself turning it. Never once did I release that and turn the knob. Not one time. With a jigsaw, you can cut radiuses. You can make intricate cuts and turn the jigsaw. To operate, follow the line with the blade. You can also cut a straight line with a jigsaw. This Black & Decker does not have variable speed. The switch is either on or off. The Bosch does have variable speed, but not from the trigger. Trigger is either on or off. However, the Bosch has a dial in which you can ratchet up the speed of the blade. Most of the time I keep it on the maximum of 6 for finer cuts. Versus 1. So, if you're just starting out with woodworking and you can only get one, a circular saw or a jigsaw, you can do more with a jigsaw than you can a circular saw. And that's a quick overview on how to use a jigsaw. If you have any questions, be sure and leave them in the comments below. For more tool tips and product reviews, click the image on your screen now.